Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi. Start by choosing the right rice. Short-grain Japanese rice is essential for that perfect sticky texture. Rinse it well, about 5 to 7 times, until the water is completely clear. Then, cook 1½ cups of rice with 2 cups of water. Once cooked, gently fold in your seasoned vinegar mixture. This step is crucial for authentic sushi flavor and consistency, setting the foundation for delicious rolls. Next, place a sheet of nori shiny side down on your bamboo mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of your perfectly seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a small strip at the top. Now, it's time for the fun part, arranging your favorite fillings. Think fresh fish, creamy avocado, crisp cucumber, or even some savory cooked options. This is where the magic happens. Lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, tucking it firmly over your fillings. Roll forward, applying gentle, even pressure with your fingers to create a tight, uniform cylinder. Moisten the far edge of the nori with a tiny bit of water to ensure a perfect seal. Keep rolling until the entire sheet is neatly enclosed, forming a beautiful, compact roll. Finally, for the perfect presentation, use a very sharp, damp knife to slice your roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. Remember to wipe your knife clean with a damp cloth between each cut. This prevents sticking and ensures beautiful, clean slices. Arrange your freshly made sushi artfully on a platter. Serve immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of wasabi for an authentic experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.